Northern Central Railway has released a notification for engagement of apprentice whose opening date for application is 2nd August 2021 and closing date for application is 1st September 2021. Coming to the eligibility criteria, the applicant should have completed 15 years of age and should not have completed 24 years of age as on 1st September 2021. Also, there is an upper age relaxation of 5 years for SC/ST candidates and an upper age relaxation of 3 years for OBC applicants. Also, there is a 10 years age relaxation for PWD candidates and ex-servicemen applicants. Coming to the educational qualification, the applicant must pass matriculate or 10th class in 10+2 examination system with minimum of 50% marks. And also, the applicant must have a recognized ITI certificate or national trade certificate affiliated to NCVT or SCVT in the respective trade they are applying for. Now let us have a look on the number of vacancies. In Prayagraj division and mechanical department, there are 335 vacancies for technical fitters, 13 vacancies for technical welders, 11 vacancies for technical carpenters, 5 vacancies for technical painter. And in electricity department, there are 246 openings for technical fitters, 9 vacancies for technical welders, 47 vacancies for technical armature winder, 5 vacancies for technical carpenter, 8 vacancies for technical crane, 15 vacancies for mechanist, 7 vacancies for technical painter and 2 vacancies for technical electrician. In the Jhansi division, there are total 286 vacancies for fitters, 11 for welders, 84 for mechanics, 11 for carpenters, 88 for electricians. In the Jhansi workshop, there are total 85 vacancies for fitters, 47 vacancies for welders, 12 vacancies for MMTM, 16 vacancies for painters. In Agra division, there are total 80 vacancies for fitters, 125 vacancies for electricians, 15 vacancies for welders, 5 vacancies for carpenter, 5 vacancies for painter, 8 vacancies for information and communication technology system maintenance, 5 vacancies for plumbers, 5 vacancies for civil draftsmen, 4 vacancies for stenographer English, 13 vacancies for wireman, 15 vacancies for operator electronics communication, 6 vacancies for health sanitary inspector and 5 vacancies for multimedia and web page designer. The mode of application is through online mode only, so all the interested candidates may apply in the link given in the description. And coming to the mode of selection, the selection of eligible applicants would be based on the merit list which is prepared by taking the average of marks secured by the applicant in both matriculation and ITI examination. Shortlisted candidates will be called for document or certificate verification to the extent of 1.5 times of notified vacancies. If in case 2 applicants are having same marks, then the applicant having older age will be preferred first. Thus the final merit list will be prepared unit wise, trade wise and community wise, which is equal to the number of slots in the descending order of percentage of marks obtained by the candidate. For application, there is a non-refundable application fees of ₹100. Also, no fees is required to be paid by SC, ST, PWD and women candidates. And the fees payment of ₹100 should only be done through online mode during the registration process. The selected applicants will be required to undergo apprenticeship training for a period of 1 year and they will be paid a stipend during the training period according to the rules governed by the concerned state governments. As the mode of application is through online only, so the applicant have to upload 8th class mark sheet along with 10th standard or equivalent mark sheet as proof of date of birth and also their ITI pass mark sheet semester wise, which is affiliated to NCVT and SCVT, and all the candidates who belong to SC, ST or OBC category have to upload their caste certificate and the candidates of PWD have to upload their disability certificate. For ex-servicemen applicants, they have to upload their discharge certificate or serving certificate. And all the applicants are required to upload their scanned copy or soft copy of their colored photograph of size 3.5 cm. All the applicants are required to upload their scanned copy of their signature, which should be in JPEG format. Okay, so all the interested and eligible candidates do apply for this notification through the link given in the description. For more videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.